How to turn off chat heads in Messenger. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Messenger. And once you do that, click on the profile icon or picture at the top left of the screen. And once you're here, scroll down to the preferences section, from which you can see chat heads all the way down with a toggle next to it that's turned on. So in order for you to disable the chat heads in your Messenger app, all what you need to do is click on this toggle to turn it off. And once you do that, chat heads will be disabled and turned off in your Messenger app. So that was it for this video. That's how you can disable chat heads in Messenger. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.